Hey Rollins community, I'm Manny and I'm a facilitator and I'm taking over Rollins Snapchat today.
Hey guys, it's Hannah. We're here in St. Petersburg with the Rollins Immersion team working with Habitat for Humanity. It's been a really eye-opening experience and you should definitely check us out on Snapchat and Instagram. You look so shy.
Hey guys, we just finished giving food to the community and we are super happy that it ended amazing.
Now we're at Fred's grabbing dinner and then we're heading to the Airbnb and doing reflections.
Awesome day today, but now we're signing off.
Thank you for joining us on our trip today.
Yay!